This animation shows the overall process of plasma fractionation. This is process for the plasma pooling. Since plasma is contained in individual plasma bags, each plasma bag has to be cut with scissor and transferred into basket and then, into pooling tank. To prepare one batch of coagulation factor 8 product, about 1,250 liters of plasma have to be collected. This is the preparation process of the coagulation factor 8. To prepare the coagulation factor 8, pooled plasma have to be thawed at 4 degrees Celsius and centrifuged. The coagulation factor 8 is obtained as cryoprecipitate and the supernatant is transferred to the other tank for further fractionation process. The fractionation process is performed using cold ethanol precipitation method. It is originated from so-called cone method 6, which is using the difference of relative solubility of proteins at specific pH and at specific ethanol concentration. Each fraction means a specific pH, ethanol concentration, and temperature for the precipitation of specific protein. Through the fraction 1 and fraction 2-3, albumin is present in the supernatant, and immunoglobulin is present in the precipitate. The supernatant is subjected to further fractionation to manufacture albumin products. In order to remove components other than albumin, fractions 4-1 and 4-4 are performed. And then, after going through fraction 5, albumin is precipitated in the form of paste. The albumin paste is subjected to further process for the purification of albumin concentrate. The precipitate of fraction 1-2-3 is subjected to fractionation process to prepare the immunoglobulin products. After dissolving the precipitate, fraction 3A is performed to remove the components other than immunoglobulin. And then, after going through fraction 2A, immunoglobulin paste is obtained. The fractionation process of albumin and immunoglobulin is performed by adjusting pH and ethanol concentration required at each fraction step. Adjustment of pH is performed by addition of buffer or NaOH. And adjustment of ethanol concentration is performed by addition of ethanol or distilled water. The supernatant and the precipitate are separated by filtration. And the supernatant is transferred to other reaction tank for the further fraction step. The albumin paste is dissolved in cold distilled water, and then, filtration for clarification is performed to remove impurities. After that, ultrafiltration for dialysis and concentration is performed to remove ethanol and to adjust the required concentration. Final product of albumin is heat treated for viral inactivation. Therefore, heat stabilizer has to be added to prevent protein denaturation during heat treatment. And finally, sterile filtration is performed. In this way 20% albumin concentrate as final product is prepared.